Hi, this is Tracy with Foxfury Lighting Solutions, here to tell you about the Rugo 2. The Rugo 2 is an ultra-durable lighting tool for the on-the-go videographer, photographer, and drone pilot. The 620 lumen light has 4 modes: low, medium, high, and strobe. The Rugo 2 is also 92 CRI with true-to-life LEDs for better color accuracy for photo and video. The Rugo 2 is fire resistant, impact resistant, and waterproof up to 60 feet. Its all-weather design means that it will thrive in almost any environment. The Rugo 2 can be seen from up to 3 statute miles away and has a strobe mode of 90 cycles per minute. Both of these features comply with FAA 10729 regulations for UAV night flight. The Rugo 2 comes with extra thumb screws, a 1/4-20 mount, a cold shoe mount, a standard mount, a wall charger, and a protective accessories bag. This allows the Rugo 2 to attach to most action cameras and DSLR cameras. The units can also attach to each other or be daisy-chained to give the user more lighting power. A variety of drone mounts are also available as separate accessories. The Rugo 2 features a sliding tri-lens, which lets the user choose the light type depending on what they're using the light for. There's a spot mode, which is ideal for long-range activities, an area light, which is ideal for mid-range activities, and a floodlight, which is ideal for close-up activities. The Rugo 2 is powered by a quick swap power pack. Battery life lasts anywhere from 1 to 6 hours, depending on which mode you're using. To separate the battery pack from the unit, simply press down on the release lever and wiggle the pack until it comes loose from the light head. You can see the port for the micro USB adapter here. Simply plug it in and let it recharge. It takes about 2.5 hours to recharge a battery pack fully. Once complete, simply reattach it to the light head and press it in until you hear a click. Then you're good to go. Additional power packs are sold as separate accessories, so users can swap them out easily without much downtime. The Rugo 2 has 4 modes: low, medium, high, and strobe. The power mode switch is this orange button on the side of the light head, so you simply press it once to get to low mode, twice to medium, 3 times to high, and a 4th time to the strobe mode. When you're ready to turn the light off, simply hold down the power button for 2 seconds until the light goes off. To swap out the mounts on the Rugo 2, you first locate the thumb screws on top of the light head. Rotate those counterclockwise until they pull out of the light, and then the mount should separate as well. Now you'll notice on top of the light head there is a notch that sticks out, so you want to align that with the groove that's inside the mount. You'll hear a small click when that locks into place. And then on the bottom side of the light, you want to take the corresponding mount piece and line it up so that this opening goes over top of the release lever. And then you can put your screws into place, rotate those clockwise until everything is nice and tight, and you're good to go. All of the other mounts that come with the Rugo, as well as our drone mounts, will attach in a similar way. The Rugo 2's compact and lightweight design make it an ideal lighting tool for the on-the-go photographer and videographer. Multiple units can fit inside a small bag or backpack, and the user can set up a multi-point lighting system on scene quickly and easily. The Rugo 2 is an extremely versatile light and has great potential for your photo, video, and drone needs. For more information on the Rugo 2, including photos, videos, and case studies, please visit foxfury.com.